Hello, curious viewer. Do you know what happens when you mix a carbon steel blade with a banana? Keep watching to find out. So here we have a basic Morakniv. As you can see, it's quite shiny. It is also carbon steel blade. And I just found out recently that if you cut a banana and now we will just wait a little bit. Until we wait, I will just eat this banana. Nothing goes to waste. And the blade almost instantly developed a patina. So what do you do if you don't like this blackened color? You use baking soda and a little bit of water to form a paste on the side on the blade, and you just carefully rub it. Leave it a couple of minutes, and afterwards we will rub it with a kitchen towel. Let's start doing it. Needs a little bit more. So, with a little bit of baking soda and elbow grease, you can take it back to almost its original state of shine. As you can see, maybe with a little bit more work I could get it finer, but for me it's enough. Also, if you like the black look, you just take a banana and cut it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day, and take care.